Hey, so today I'm going to try a new product by City George and it's called the Liner Bond. So these are the lashes and the eyeliner. So this liner bond system is supposed to be easier than the magnetic lashes. So I'm very excited to try it. So basically it's supposed to be an eyeliner that's also an adhesive. It's supposed to be replacing the eyelash glue or the magnetic eyeliner. So this liner comes in black. As you can see, the tip of this liner looks very thin. I usually like using very thin brushes, similar to the previous magnetic lash eyeliner by City George. So we'll see if this one can beat it or not. These are the Girl Friday eyelashes that comes with this liner. You have a little mirror like before. I really like this about the City George eyelashes. Wow, so my first impression on this eyeliner is that it's really thin. It's really easy to paint with it, so I really like that. What? This is amazing. I only applied a very thin layer and it sticks like crazy. You can barely see where I placed it. I'm really happy with this. I'm going to quickly apply some of the City George tubing mascara and show you a bit closer. I honestly never experienced such an easy way to apply lashes. I'm really happy with that. It's super easy to apply. I love how thin this liner is, and now I'm gonna show you again on this side how easy these lashes attach to the liner. Was the result. It was super easy to apply, and I think I'm definitely gonna use this type of lashes from now on because I've always had difficulties putting lashes on before. I abandoned the glue lashes a long time ago because it was so messy. Then I gave a chance to the magnetic lashes and I actually really liked the City George magnetic lashes, but now that they came out with this liner bond, I'm definitely gonna be using that all the time. So they really made it very simple. Any simpler than that, I don't think there will be. I almost don't feel the lashes right now, which is amazing because usually I feel them so much that it's quite hard to forget that I'm wearing something. These ones are called the Girl Friday lashes and I really like this style. It's very natural, very subtle, and yeah. You've got a new fan. Bye.